Hello, this is Joe Law from the Law Family Farms. This week we've been having lambs. Right now, we had 6 twins in a row, 6 sets of twins in a row, and one sheep who gave us a single. So I just thought I would show you some lambs today. They're kind of hard to get close to it right now because their mothers are very protective of them. So bear with me on that. I'm going to try to get you the best shots that I can. I had that sheep that's kind of moving away from me. There's more out here. I don't know if they're kind of hard to see. There's one over there. I'll try to get a little closer on it. We got about 25 ewes in this group here, and I think so we had about 7 to have lambs, so we got quite a few more to go. I'll see if I can get any closer on this one. There's some over there. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, I'll try to get a little closer on this one. See, they're very protective now, and they're gonna move on me. Yeah. There's some over there. There's a big group of them. I don't know if you can see them good or not. She's pretty nervous, as you can tell. They're quite protective, so this is a pretty good shot here. It's about the best I can get. There's more of them farther in the background. There's some.